In Central Florida, where the charm of small businesses meets the unique challenges of on-site septic systems, effective maintenance becomes paramount. Proper septic system care is not only essential for regulatory compliance, but also for ensuring uninterrupted business operation. As a small business owner, adding another thing to your list can feel daunting. But trust us, this one is important. Septic maintenance for businesses. Neglecting septic systems can lead to backups, foul odors, and potential harm to the community and your business. Luckily, taking care of your septic isn't hard. Regular inspection and pumping. Companies should have their septic systems inspected once a year by a qualified professional. Pumping out the septic tank at regular intervals is equally essential. The frequency depends on factors such as the size of the tank, the business's wastewater volume, and the number of employees and customers. Water conservation practices. Implementing water conservation policies, such as fixing leaks promptly and promoting responsible water use, can significantly reduce the strain on the septic system. Proper waste disposal. It's essential to emphasize correctly disposing of items like wipes, hygiene products, and cooking grease. For those in the restaurant industry, ensure you are set up with a grease trap and regularly check and empty that trap. Landscaping considerations. The landscaping around a business property can impact the septic system's efficiency. Avoid planting large trees or shrubs near the septic tank or drain field, as their roots may infiltrate and damage the system. Professional septic services for businesses. In Central Florida, where unique environmental factors exist, relying on local expertise is critical. Keep your septic and business happy. Septic system maintenance for small businesses in Central Florida requires a proactive and comprehensive approach. Are you in need of septic services for your commercial system? Give Advanced Septic Services of Florida a call today at 352-242-6100.